Welcome, in front of me is a Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode. So to get started, let's pull down our notifications, extend the list, and somewhere here you will find the toggle, hopefully. So we're looking for power saving. There it is. It's a third toggle on a second page. So once you see it, you can simply tap on it. It just changes the outline or inlay of the battery right here to indicate that it is running right now. And that's really all it's going to tell us that happens, which is absolutely nothing. So anyway, that is how you turn on your power saving mode. And once you're done with it, you can simply turn it off by finding the toggle once more and tapping on it once again. So there we go. Now if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.